My name is Carissa Cook. The title of my presentation is Daily Pattern of Vibrational Communication in Vespula Germanica. My mentor is Dr. Benjamin Taylor of the LaGuardia Community College Natural Sciences Department. Vespula germanica is a species of eusocial paper wasp, commonly known as German yellowjackets. In eusocial insects, tasks such as brood care, foraging, and building, defending, or moving nests necessitate communication and cooperation. Social insects communicate primarily by chemical means, but they also use vibroacoustic information to communicate. Vibroacoustic communication involves vibrational communication through a substrate or direct contact, as well as acoustic vibrations transmitted through air. A form of substrate vibration, called gastral drumming, has been reported in several species of vespine wasps, which includes yellowjackets and hornets. Early studies of this behavior conducted by Ishe et al. Claimed, without supporting data, that its function was as a hunger signal because it was produced most often in the early morning, specifically during sunrise, after a night without food. Shining a light into the nest was said to have the same effect. Ishe deemed the behavior a dance of awakening. However, a more recent study conducted by Taylor and Jean found that playing gastral drumming audio back to a Vespula germanica colony led to increased worker movement, trophallaxis rates, and exits. Taylor and Jean's study provided evidence that this behavior acts as a nest-based food recruitment signal in Vespula germanica, meaning this behavior may recruit workers to forage for food. This study examines the pattern of gastral drumming and the early claim that gastral drumming is produced most often in the morning. Two colonies of Vespula germanica wasps were relocated to a lab in plexiglass boxes and equipped with a recording device. The setup for this experiment can be seen in the upper right corner. The colonies were recorded continuously over a period of 152 hours to assess whether gastral drumming production was highest in the morning. The audio program Audacity was utilized for recording and playback of nest output. Gastral drumming occurs when an individual makes rapid dorsoventral movements with the gaster, which is the posterior portion of the body. Each drum is a series of rapid strikes to the nest, and each set of drums is considered a bout. The image below shows a visual of gastral drumming audio, as it would appear in Audacity. The length of each drum was logged and binned by the hour in which it occurred. The data were analyzed using a mixed effect statistical model to determine whether hour of day, temperature, and relative humidity were significant predictors of gastral drumming rate. In addition, an independent contrast determined whether drumming was higher during the hour of sunrise, as claimed by previous studies. Effects of hour of day were found, but not temperature or relative humidity. The contrast revealed that gastral drumming during the hour of sunrise was not different than all other hours of the day. This chart also displays gastral drumming during sunrise, which was considered to be from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., compared to all other hours. A significant yet unexpected finding was that gastral drumming did occur during the nighttime hours, a time when no foraging occurs. An additional contrast comparing daytime versus nighttime gastral drumming production revealed that gastral drumming production was higher during the day. This can also be seen in the chart. Overall, findings were not consistent with claims from earlier studies. However, the finding that gastral drumming occurs at night suggests that it may have additional roles in colony organization other than foraging. For example, it has been speculated that visits to larvae may increase as a result of gastral drumming. When these results are combined with those from previous studies, they suggest that gastral drumming may increase general activity levels, thus increasing the rate at which individuals come into contact with social cues. Following the discovery of gastral drumming occurrence at night, more data are needed to fully understand the role this behavior may play in colony organization. Another intriguing possibility is that the drumming may influence the development of larval wasps, potentially biasing them towards worker development. In police-face wasps, simulated drumming resulted in larvae developing worker-like traits. Whether that is occurring here with gastral drumming is unknown, but could be tested by examining drumming rates over the course of the season to see if they decline when new queens develop near the end of the season. Thank you to Dr. Benjamin Taylor, LaGuardia Community College, and the CUNY Research Scholars Program for making this experience possible.